Ano yung growth mindset? The ability to continuously engage in a space where you're growing. Meaning, kailangan mo ng bagong input, kailangan mo ng bagong capacity so that you can build a different you. Growth mindset is very important. I started my career as a dishwasher sa isang company called Shakey's. But when I was at Shakey's, dishwasher, ang mindset ko nun, kung meron mang pinakamagaling na dishwasher, ako yun. So yun yung mindset ko everyday. I would go there, I would do my work, pero ang mindset ko, ako pinakamagaling. I would what? Hindi ako uuwi, pupunta ako dun sa next position. Sa akin, yung experience ko, ako yung nag-oven man. Yung nagluluto ng pizza. Out na ako sa paghuhugas, pupunta ako dun sa may oven, walang bayad, tulong lang. Para matuto magluto ng pizza. After 2 months, nakita ko Max Salazar, oven man. Sabi ko ba, goodbye, dishwashing area. Sabi ko, hello, pasma. Kasi mainit eh. So I started doing that, nakapag-aral ako sa gabi, trabaho sa umaga, until natapos ko yung first course ko. So, why am I talking about this? Growth mindset takes you to a space, to a journey of capacity building.